Look at this. There are over 6,000 members in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give in my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. It's more than 10x. He more than 10x'd his money in the group. This person, I'm up $10,000 in the last week. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash a like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin pullback. Reminder, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin tomorrow. All you have to do for a chance to win, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Be ready. $500 free money giveaway tomorrow. And then we're going to do it again a week later. Let's go. All right, this is a Bitcoin daily chart. Most important part here is Bitcoin. On the daily chart, if you pull Fibonacci retracement, you've got about a 62% retrace at 30,000, right, from its high. Bitcoin really likes to bounce off the 618 fib level, right? If 30,000 does break, 27,000 and 24,000 would be the next levels down. Now, we talked 2 days ago, right? We talked this idea of a higher low, where whenever you have a larger pattern like this, like it takes some bullish momentum to get an upside breakout of anything like this, right? And for this to happen, you have to get some type of double bottom type structure. Bitcoin really likes to bounce on double bottoms with bullish divergence even, especially on the daily chart, okay? This is the idea we talked about 2 days ago, right? And you see how we talked about this strong resistance, and if the bulls weren't able to break out, then, you know, Bitcoin's just been working in this range and getting rejected, working in this range, getting rejected. This bull trap was just that, a bull trap. The bulls bought into this and essentially just got drugged back down into the lower range of the price action. So understand, I was looking for, you know, possibility of a rejection. If the bulls get rejected here, then we had this long wick, the sell pressure. Bitcoin ended up running up to this resistance level. We'll look at the 1 hour chart, where you can see you had this epic bounce, this retest off this falling wedge. Then Bitcoin ran up here and put in this double top. Soon as this double top was printed, I started posting, and I never do this, short ideas using the low leverage short coins on Binance and Kucoin. Made a whole video on it for the group. You have to understand that everybody went short here. Like all of a sudden, these are Bitcoin shorts. All the Bitfinex whales opened up huge short positions just based on this idea. And we had some amazing profits out of these down tokens. You know, trade the market both ways. And we had some amazing profits based on that idea. Now, the spot price action came down here to this level. RSI is oversold. So, I mean, potentially looking for some type of bounce here. Potentially short-term bounce. I mean, what you don't want to see is a move up here to this. This is a rising wedge, 68% chance break to the downside, and it did. The measured move is 30,300. So I guess the question is, will you get a small bounce and then continuation lower, or a larger bounce and continuation lower? And then it's really a question of, is 30,000 going to hold? Or just like happened here, will this price action come down here and tap this liquidity zone where there's a ton of buyers down here, the $28,000 area? So these are ideas to pay attention to on the 1 hour chart. So bounce, and then, which it's already started, bounce, and then will it just roll over? $30,300 target. These targets, they're not for sure, but they're pretty accurate. So here's the exact same higher low idea, where this is the low and this would be a higher low. This is what the bulls need to do. They need to make sure that this low is higher than the previous low, or a double bottom with bullish divergence, to get real good upside potential or bounce out of this downtrend, right? To reverse the trend, if you get a double bottom bullish divergence, there's a stronger probability that the price action reverses. So if the bulls can, and again, these levels don't hold, then we're looking for downside. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person joined my group a while ago and came into the group and didn't understand how to trade at all. And we were talking yesterday and he said, you changed my life forever. I said, that's awesome. I basically just gave you the ideas and you made it happen. You're the one that put the work in. This gentleman went on to start, he's got a YouTube channel with 10,000 subscribers already. So he's doing amazing. He said he made $125,000 off of Cake, $179,000 off of SafeMoon. He put 2,000 in EGLD, VET, AVE, and he rode them all for 10 or 20x gains. I mean, he came in, he had no idea how to trade. And now he's got a YouTube channel. He's killed it on some of these trades. And this is why I have this channel. This is why I have a trading group. It's because I want to bring out the best in you guys. This person, he was giving me compliments about the up and down tokens video that I made. And he said in 2017, I came into this market and I FOMO'd into 2017's run up. I lost a ton of money. Well, a lot of people did, right? Normally crypto drags people in this market at the wrong possible time. I've got some amazing admins, some amazing videos to teach you guys how to be successful in this market. This person reached out. He made $3,000 off a long wick and bounce idea. Not bad for a couple hours. $3,000 in a couple hours, huge. This is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetime. We have to make it count. We don't want to look back 2, 3, 4 years from now and said, hey, I wish I would have put some more time in. I wish I would have learned a little bit more. I wish I would have been educated on some of the ideas. The bottom line is this: I'm going to make sure you're in the best and most profitable trading setups, period. If you want to join the trading group, go to my website, cryptorev.net. If you pay with crypto for 6 months or 12 months right now, it's 50% off. Posted the sushi down setup, 30% gains in a day. Huge. This is Bitcoin down. Again, essentially, we shorted Bitcoin. 24% profits based on this idea. You see how Bitcoin put in this double top? Well, Bitcoin down put in a double bottom and 24% gains. Huge. This is the Bitcoin 5-minute chart. So Elon Musk the other day, he tweeted, how many Bitcoin maxis does it take to screw in a light bulb? Elon tweeted this right here. And then Bitcoin completely just sold off. I seriously think he's got a team that helps him time these tweets because he lets it go to his head. Like, he loves to think that he's moving this market. I mean, potentially there is some price movement that happens, but the timing is amazing. Like, you can pretty much watch for Elon Musk tweets and look for price moves out of Bitcoin, out of Shiba Inu, out of Dogecoin, right? And that's potentially going to his head. Elon Musk. And I've got a cool idea. We're going to speculate on what could happen with Elon Musk when he gives big thumbs up and they start taking Bitcoin for Teslas again. And I'm seriously thinking about buying a Tesla. I went in test drove one the other day. Dude, they're pretty amazing. Like, that's the future. Like, for sure, I'm just saying, electric cars, gas cars, that'll be gone forever. Watch. So here's Elon Musk. And so Elon Musk is talking to Jack Dorsey. So Jack Dorsey is the CEO of Twitter and Square, right? And so Elon Musk, they're talking about buy Curious, buy Czar. They're talking about Bitcoin, right? They say, me and you have a conversation at the event. You can share all your curiosities. And they're just kind of joking back and forth. And he said, let's have the talk. And Elon said, for the bit curious, very well then, let's do it. So really what they're getting at is Jack Dorsey, like he's real big on Bitcoin development. Like he wants to continue to develop Bitcoin. He's a Bitcoin maximalist. And he wants to talk Elon Musk. And basically, what can we do to help Bitcoin evolve? What can we do to develop Bitcoin? And so that's, a positive that's going to happen for Bitcoin. I mean, just think about all the projects out there that we know and love and follow, and they've got development team and they get paid very well, right? They're biggest holders of the coin. A lot of it, Bitcoin's open source, so they don't get paid like they do with all these other coins. And so I think this is going to be big going forward. Where the speculation comes in is the Winklevoss twins, right? These are the guys from Harvard, the twins. They actually sued Mark Zuckerberg, who, when he founded Facebook, they said that Zuckerberg stole their idea for Facebook. They got $40 million from that lawsuit. Anyways, they went on to start Gemini Exchange, and now they own 1% of all the Bitcoin. So that worked out for them. But the Winklevoss-led exchange, Gemini, is going to green to decarbonize Bitcoin. So the idea is, so let's speculate. China bans all the dirty, power-hungry, coal-burning miners. Bitcoin miners go green. And then Tesla starts accepting Bitcoin again. Elon Musk announces the big announcement about we're going to take Bitcoin again for Tesla, and then Bitcoin price pumps crazy. Then everyone thinks Elon Musk is manipulating the price of Bitcoin again. Let's see. So Elon Musk tweeted again, my Shiba Inu will be named Flocky. And then Shiba Inu pumped crazy. Like this guy is freaking manipulating the market, moving the market for sure. Okay, so this is maybe not amazing for the stock market and Bitcoin. The US dollar, this is Peter Brandt. And he stated the US dollar is poised for a rally, a very significant rally. The stars are aligned. Charts, sentiment, commitment of traders positioning, analogs. Investors should consider what a strong US dollar rally will mean to their portfolio holdings. When the dollar is strong, stocks don't do well, and neither does Bitcoin on a macro level. Okay, he's basically talking about this potential double bottom we could see out of the dollar in upside price action. So just keep that in mind. This is the president of El Salvador, and he's sitting here explaining on a national broadcast to the population of El Salvador how to use Bitcoin. And then they're offering $30, which is a ton of money for them, right? They're offering $30 if you use this national wallet that they have created. CZ came out, CEO of Binance, and he said 6 million people added to the crypto ecosystem in one go. And that's something big picture you have to think about. As these countries start picking up Bitcoin as legal tender, I mean, we're adding millions of people to the crypto and blockchain ecosystem quickly. The future is golden. All right, follow me here. This is the Bitcoin NVT price. And so we're going to go over here and explain kind of how this works. So the NVT price values the Bitcoin network using the investor volume as seen on its blockchain. So the NVT ratio is the ratio of on-chain volume to its market cap. So you can think of it as a price to earnings ratio as far as stocks go. NVT price is calculated by multiplying on-chain volume by the 2-year median value of NVT ratio. The network valuation is then adjusted to price by dividing the coin supply. So if we look at this is the NVT premium. This NVT premium is at all-time low. This means there's so much activity on the blockchain. The NVT price is way higher than the market price. Bitcoin right now is way undervalued, right? In situations where you've seen this in the past, right? Back here, panic situation sell-off. The price pumped and got back up above the NVT price. When Bitcoin pulled back from 6,500 down to 3,150, you can see it just tapped on the NVT price, right? And so what this means is people actually using the Bitcoin blockchain were really low right here. So in this situation where you had a drop below the NVT price, the price recovered quickly. In a situation here where it didn't drop below the NVT price, you know that it took longer to recover. So here we are way below the NVT price, and the NVT premium is at all-time lows. Will we see a quick recovery and upside continuation? Boom, let's go. Now, real quick, so these shorts, at some point, we could see a massive short squeeze. So what happens is, like the bears get real comfortable trading this range. They short the top, they short the top, they short the top, they short the top. And then what happens is they get caught in a short squeeze where they get some pump they don't expect. And then they have to start buying Bitcoin to cover their shorts. They're taking losses on their short position. So what they do is they're trading both ways at the same time to offset their losses. And so then you could get some type of big pump out of Bitcoin. However, this is not something you wait for and just hope. No, this is not hopium. Like, let's hope for this big move is going to save me. Like, you can't have that type of confidence on this idea. However, it's something that could possibly happen, so it's definitely something we need to discuss and talk about. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.